could be illegal narcotics. But good chiefs of police, good sergeants will put together a program, get the government, and get the team what they need, training, whatever they need. Sorry about that, excuse me. I'm really stopped up. Then I'm squeezing my brake. If I was really tired or miserable, I would rest for a few hours. So you have to know where your body is and what you can do, what you can't. How do I feel? You can tell I'm stuffed up, can't breathe, eyes are watery. I'm still pretty alert though. If I had to drive 5 or 6 hours, I would make it, but it would be slow and painful. Those of you who are watching, how long have you been driving? How old are you? What state are you in? So I'm going to turn on my right turn signal. Taking my time. And even though the speed limit is 50, we're barely moving at 6. And this traffic's a mix of younger drivers, older drivers, inexperienced drivers, drivers who should be on the road, perhaps drivers who could be under the influence, we don't know. Every state has different rules, and I'm just going to stop. It's not this serious. I could turn on red, but I'm just going to wait. Pedestrians can walk by, they're hard to see. I can turn on red, but I'm going to go up and look. It's called showing the car. And it's really crowded, so I'm just waiting. This is a major thoroughfare. You can tell by the flow of the traffic. I want you to hear this. And as I teach driving more and more, I realize how important vision is, good driving skill sets, good speed control. Early on in your career, you're either going to learn how to drive fast, drive safe, or drive dangerous. A lot of you are beginners, you're going to learn how to drive fast, or you're going to leave late. The number one reason why people speed is because they're late. Leave early. Okay, it's clear, turn, and we're right in the first lane. And I do have my headlights on, but it's hard to see. Yes, it looks like they're not on. Bruh. I have to squeeze my brakes. So literally, it looks like our headlights are not on, but they are. So I'm confused about this car. They're making a left turn. Excuse me, they have to yield to traffic. And that's what they do. It's a major thoroughfare here. By a big mall to the right. So people are shoplifting. Sorry, they're shopping. I'm joking with you. So you got to be careful. Anytime you're by a mall, people are coming in, coming out, left and right. And I get on the gas. This car is pretty quick off the line, but it's not a race car. I'm going to get over one lane to the left. A lot of these cars are subcompact, turbo cars, high revving, little bitty 2-cylinder, 1-cylinder, less than 300cc motors. And then you can see the flow of the traffic. So even though the speed limit is 45, we're at 37. And some of you will see this and say, how come he's going so slow? Because the flow of the traffic is slow. Again, I'm going to get over one more lane to the left. And I'm trying to stay in open spots, not trying to tailgate. And this is what you would be doing also too. Hey, if this is bringing you value, give it a thumbs up. not trying to cause trouble, and there won't be any trouble. If this vehicle to the left is speeding, see that? They're going to cause an accident. Because they're going faster than everyone else. It's terrible conditions, and it's getting ready to be an accident. So either you could be that person, or you could be here with me, just keeping space. They're cutting off cars, which can trigger road rage. They're slamming brakes now. Let me get over one lane to the right. I'm trying to show you more